What's up guys, I'm Ben Static and this is my 397 day in calisthenics. So ang session ko ngayon is 1 hour handstand. Di bale, dalawa yung session ko sa isang araw. Isang AM session and PM session. Yung AM session ko is puro strength training, which is lunge training or front lever training. Sa PM naman, mostly balance training. Yung 1 hour handstand. Let's go! Nasa park na ako ngayon. So, as always, mag-warm up muna tayo. Let's go! Tapos na yung warm up. Training na tayo. First set. Tinanggal ko yung grip tape ito kasi masyado siyang madulas sa 1 hour handstand. Second set. Medyo magaling isa kong kamay. Ma-fail man yung attempt or hindi, magiging set ko pa rin yun because it is part of learning. This is my last set. Let's go! So last set ko na to kasi na-fail yung last set ko. Let's go! So tapos na yung 1 hour handstand. Pero mag-a-attempt pa rin ako ng skill combo. Apply muna ako ng chalk. Go. So, yun lang yung training ko guys. Kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong content like calisthenics, paki-subscribe naman. Okay, bye!